So you want to make money online, quit your 9 to 5 job, or just make extra money on the side? Well, selling on Amazon may be the solution for you. And if you don't know where to get started, in this video I'll cover the basics but important information you need to know before you begin your journey. Hi, my name is 𝗙𝗏𝗃𝗘𝗢. I've been selling on Amazon since 2016. I started this business as an experiment. I just got hooked ever since, so I kept learning, selling, and growing my business to where it is today, generating 7 figures in sales every year. I'll be sharing everything I know about it in this channel, so hit the subscribe button if this is something you're interested in. Alright, let's jump right in. Amazon is the largest marketplace in North America with over 40% of market share in e-commerce. Amazon has over 200 million Prime members, and Forbes reported that 80% of consumers are likely to buy on Amazon versus other e-commerce sites. In 2021 alone, Amazon generated a mind-blowing $610 billion in sales, and roughly 60% of those sales came from third-party sellers, meaning people like you and me. It's pretty insane when you think about it. Alright, so how can you be part of that 60%? Well, pretty much anybody with a valid identity can sell on Amazon. There are 2 ways to sell on Amazon. The main one is called FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, and the second one is called FBM, Fulfillment by Merchant. To understand the difference between the two, let's take a look at this slide. This is you, an ambitious entrepreneur looking to make money online. Your primary job is to search and find products that sell on Amazon. This is done using software such as 𝗙𝗘𝗢𝗘𝗥 or 𝗙𝗑𝗓𝗃𝗀. You then find a supplier for that product and buy it at a profitable cost. Once that is done, you list or create your product on Amazon and send it to one of their warehouses. Once it gets to their warehouse, Amazon will store and manage your inventory for you. This is your first FBA perk. Your product then becomes available to all customers and will show up as Prime eligible, and this is your second FBA perk. When a customer buys your product, an order is automatically received by Amazon's warehouse, where they will take your product, pack it into a box, label the box, and ship it to the customer. This is your third FBA perk. You don't have to worry about buying packaging supplies, or you don't even have to touch or see the product. It's all done by FBA. FBA also covers after-sales support, meaning customer service, managing refunds, returns, exchanges, and so on. And this is your fourth FBA perk. Overall, FBA frees up your time so you can focus on growing your business or just enjoying your profit. Of course, all of this is not free, so let's talk about Amazon's fees. Amazon charges a commission on every item that you sell. This is called a referral fee. The percentage varies depending on the category that you sell. Amazon charges you for packing and shipping the product to the customer. It varies depending on the size and weight of your product. Example, for a standard size item, it would normally cost anywhere from $3 to $7 and up. You can find the exact information on Amazon's website. Amazon will also charge you for storage fee, which is not much at all when you get started. Keep in mind, referral fees and FBA fees are only charged when your product is sold. So that was FBA. Now, the second option is FBM, Fulfillment by Merchant, the merchant being you. It's very simple. All these activities now are your responsibility. Managing inventory, fulfilling orders by yourself can be very time consuming and even cost you more than FBA. Plus, you would still have to pay a referral fee for selling on Amazon. For those reasons, I think FBA is the best option between the two. But where do you find profitable products? How do you come up with those ideas? It depends on your sourcing model. When it comes to selling on Amazon, there are 5 different models. I'll explain them to you so you can decide which one is best for you. Number 1, thrifting. Thrifting is when you buy used products from thrift stores such as Goodwill, Salvation Army, or even garage sales. You would then resell those products on Amazon at a higher price for profit. Used products that sell really well on Amazon are used books and used electronics. You can usually find these items for a couple dollars and resell them for $20 and up. Some used products can even sell for hundreds of dollars. The pros in this business model know how to develop a partnership with the thrift store manager so that they would be the first to know if there's new products coming in. They would also be looking to buy directly from liquidators. They would know to use a book scanner app to help them scan and speed up the process for selling used books. It's very cheap to get started. It requires anywhere from $0 to $100. Number 2, retail arbitrage. First, arbitrage means you buy a product from one marketplace and resell it on another marketplace at a higher price. Here, as a retail arbitrager, you would buy your product from a retail store such as Walmart, Target, or Walgreens and sell it on Amazon at a higher price. A general rule of thumb is that the cost of the product should be at least 1/3 of the price listed on Amazon. You can normally find these items in the liquidation section or end of season section. You can also scan every item in the store and compare their prices to Amazon. Scanning is done with your cell phone using the Amazon Seller app. The pros in this model would actively look for special deals, do couponing, use cashback credit cards, use store reward points, and even partner with the store manager so they would be the first to know about a deal. You can start doing retail arbitrage with as low as $100 to $500. Number 3, online arbitrage. So same as retail arbitrage, but everything here is done online and remotely. The process is a little bit different, as you would buy the product online, you would ship it to your house, repackage it, and send it to Amazon for resale. What's cool about online arbitrage is that you can use software such as tactical arbitrage and have it scan e-commerce websites and compare the prices and find profitable products for you. This will save you a lot of time so that you don't have to do it manually. The pros in this business model would ship the products to a prep center instead of shipping it to their house. The prep center will then inspect the products and ship it to Amazon FBA on their behalf. They would also use couponing, they would use cashback credit cards, and even use cashback websites such as Rakuten or Top Cashback. They would also use store rewards points where available, and you can start doing online arbitrage with $100 to $500. Number 4, wholesale. Wholesale is when you as a buyer purchase your product in bulk from a B2B supplier. B2B means business to business. These suppliers would not sell to you unless you are a business entity. As you are buying in bulk, you have a predetermined discounted price on their products. Wholesalers may offer you branded products or non-branded products. The pros in this business model know to ask for liquidation lists. They can also bundle the supplier's product for more profit. They're able to run ads, create listings, and optimize listings. They would also use a prep center to help them scale their business. Some are even able to develop an exclusive Amazon resale agreement, meaning they are the only authorized reseller on Amazon for that wholesaler. And as you are buying in bulk, wholesaling would require a couple thousands to get started. Number 5, private label. Private label is when you have a product manufactured by another company for you to resell under your own brand and logo. It's usually a generic product that already exists. You don't really have to invent something new. Let's take, for example, a mug, a product that you can easily customize by changing its print design. You can then ask your manufacturer to package it in a box with your brand and logo on it, and this would become your private label product. Now, this can be done in any categories you can think of: electronics, supplements, food, apparel, home goods. Pretty much anything can be private labeled today. As you are dealing directly with a manufacturer, the cost per unit is usually very low, but you will have to order in larger quantities. Usually their minimum order quantity, or MOQ, is between 500 to 1,000 units. Your manufacturer will most likely be in China or overseas, and most private label sellers will have their products shipped directly from China to Amazon FBA to save time and costs and speed up the whole process. Private labeling may seem daunting and complex at first, but as you get into the process and with experience, it becomes easier. The pros in this business model know how to find product with high demand and low competition. They do so using software such as Helium-10. They also know how to customize and differentiate their products from their competition. They also know how to protect their ideas with patents and trademarks. They're also able to run profitable ads on and off Amazon. They're also able to build a following and fan base for their brand. All right, there you have it, the top 5 sourcing models for Amazon FBA. Having done all of them, I personally prefer wholesale and private label, mainly because I prefer to buy in larger quantities. However, I really enjoyed doing thrifting, retail arbitrage, and online arbitrage, and I still do it from time to time today. My first private label idea actually came from doing online arbitrage, and it's still one of my best sellers today. So whichever model you choose to start with, keep in mind it's not a contract. You can change and mix them as you gain more experience. All right, that was all for today. I hope this video was helpful in your journey. I hope you learned something new today. If you have any questions, please drop them below and I'll do my best to answer each one of them. And also let me know which business model you think is best for you. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!